Hi, I'm James Chatham. We've been farming here since I left college in '96, and we've been farming organically since in '98, and so we've been farming organically for over 20 years now. And my granddad bought the farm after the Second World War in 1944, and we've been milking here since then. And we've been caring for the cows on our award-winning family farm for 3 generations now then, and our ladies have the freedom to graze on pastures grown on the healthy Shropshire soil, full of the natural goodness, producing milk we're proud to sell fresh from the farm now.